Hello, I'm Star from Vagrant Tech. Today I'm glad to introduce a remote control robot base. It's a perfect choice for all your robotics and DIY projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, it will be must exceed your expectations. Remote control robot base is beautiful in appearance. The fuselage is large, and the space reserved for development is sufficient. Upon observing the machine, it's evident that there's ample interior space, providing you with the flexibility to customize it based on your specific requirements. The frame of the fuselage is reinforced to prevent deformation or displacement. The machine is equipped with a function expansion hub, which can control additional 4 channels. It can easily control. It features top-quality brush motor from well-known Chinese brand. The motor is simple to use and maintain, delivering strong power, fast working speed. The controller, which has the characteristics of authentic response and fast response speed. The built-in smart check can intelligently detect the current and heating conditions, which can ensure stable use all year round, and has slow start function. The operation is smooth. The tires are long tires with a width of 15 cm, which are beautiful, durable, light in weight, and strong in support. With 200 meters distance, you can move without worrying about encountering unsafe creatures like snakes, spiders, or insects. Our control panel is designed with clean marking on each function button for easy identification. We have also included an emergency stop button to ensure user safety in case of emergencies. Hi there, welcome to our tutorial how to use our awesome remote control robot base. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started, from charging the battery to moving your robot base like a pro. First thing first, before using the machine, make sure to charge the battery fully. Here's the charging port, so you can plug it in and let it charge up. Next, when you receive the machine, the emergency stop button will be in the closed position due to safety concerns. Simply twist the arrow to start the button. To get started, turn on the power switch on the remote control. Then turn on the power switch on the machine. Let's move this baby around now. Using the remote control, you can go forward, backward, left, and right with ease. It's super simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your moving needs. Another feature is cruise control, which enables the machine to move at a constant speed. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power button on the machine itself, followed by the power switch on the remote control, and that's it. It's time to take your hobby or profession to the next level with a robot base. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you, bye bye.